Hello students, we shall start discussing exercise 9.1 now. 5 of them, the first 5 questions will be solved today. Let's go to question number 1. So if you read the question, the first question is, there are 14 watches and the cost of 14 watches is rupees 28,000. So they are asking what will be the cost of 20 watches. Okay. Now you have learned the concept of direct and inverse variation. So if the number of watches is more, cost will be more or less. So if the number of watches is increased, the cost will also increase. That means these two quantities are in direct variation. Okay. So if they are in direct variation, the process is very simple. How shall I write this? Cost of 14 watches is rupees 28,000. Alright. Therefore, cost of 1 watch is rupees 28,000 by 14. Alright. Now finally, for how many watches you have to find? Cost of 20 watches. This will be rupees 28,000 by 14 into 20. Alright. So let me show you the calculation in the next page. So we have rupees 28,000 by 14 into 20. So now we know that 14 into 2 is 28. So this will be, if I bring it to lowest form, will be 2000. So 2000 into 20, 2 into 2 is 4, then followed by 4 zeros. So our final answer will be rupees 40,000. Done. Alright, let's go to the second question now, number 2. 15 books cost rupees 345. What will be the 50 such books cost? So 50 books, again direct variation. So cost of 15 books is rupees 345. So cost of one book is rupees 345 by 15. So cost of 50 books is rupees 345 by 15 into 50. Please bring it to the lowest form and calculate. The final answer will be rupees 1150. Calculation I am leaving up to you. Obviously you can do this. Now let's go to question number 3. If the cost of 35 meters of cloth, okay, so the again cost, so cost of 35 meter is rupees 701.05. so obviously cost of 1 meter will be rupees 701.05 by 35, and you have to find the cost of 18 meters. So that will be rupees 701.05 by 35 into 18. You have to be a little bit careful with this calculation. Calculation is complex. Please try on your own, and your final answers will be 360.54. Alright. Now let's go to the last one, number 4. If 2 dozen bananas cost 45 rupees, so 2 dozens cost rupees 45. So what will be the cost of 1 dozen then? 1 dozen will cost you rupees 45 by 2. So the cost of 5 dozen bananas will be rupees 45 by 2 into 5. 45 into 5 is rupees 225 by 2, and if you divide, you shall get rupees 112.50. Done. Okay, now let's go to question 5, the last one that we can solve today. Now this is slightly interesting. 3 dozen eggs are bought for rupees 63. Now 3 dozen means how many? 1 dozen means 12. So 3 dozen means 3 into 12. So 3 into 12, that is 36. 36 eggs cost rupees 63. So 1 egg will be rupees 63 by 36. So how many eggs you have to find? 132 eggs. 132 eggs will be 63 by 36 into 132. I'll show you the calculation for this one so that you get the idea. By 2 is 18. This will be 66 by 2. By 2 is 9. By 2 is 33. Now I shall divide by 3. By 3 is 3. By 3 is 11. Again this 63 is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 1. So 21 into 11. So that should give us 231. Final answer. Alright. So this is how you're going to solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In the next video, we shall be covering the rest of the questions. The rest of the questions are based on inverse variation, so method will slightly change. So first of all, you clarify all these questions till 5. Then in the next video, we shall be discussing the rest of the questions.